Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about how to receive online payments using Stripe. So first of all, we need to understand like what is Stripe and what it used for, right? So Stripe is a platform for businesses to like easily accept payments over the internet. It provides a secure and reliable way for business to accept payments from customers and also like offers features such as fraud prevention or subscription management, invoicing, and many more. So Stripe also provides like API accesses, and so a business can integrate payments into their own application. So it's very useful in my opinion. So right now we are at stripe.com, as you can see over here. I'm just going to close this one, and you can just scroll down. You can see that Amazon, Slack, even Shopify, Google, Zoom, they are using this Stripe. So it's not a joke, right? So first of all, we are going to talk about like pricing. What are the pricing? So I've already opened up this tab over here, and you can see the pricing. So if you integrate this and access complete payments platform with simple pay as you go pricing, so they will charge only 3% per successful card charge. So I don't think it's that bad, because they are charging per successful card charge, not like monthly or anything like that. So there's no setup fees, monthly fees, or hidden fees. This is the only one they will charge. Like they will get only 3% of it, whatever you are going to do, right? So I don't think it's that bad. So after that, obviously you just need to understand like the pricing, right? Otherwise, why would you sign up for this? So after that, just go ahead and click on start now, and you just need to put in your information like email, full name, your country, and there's a lot of countries out there which you can choose, and after that, password, and simply create your account. So right now I'm just going to show you how it looks like from the dashboard, and obviously I have my account over here, and I'm going to show you like from the dashboard, right? So let's get started. So once you're in your dashboard and you created your account, you will end up over here, and this is what it looks like from the start. So you can see it's very simple over here. You have your analysis over here, and today analysis over here, reports overview, like what's going on from last 7 days or last 4 weeks, all those things which we will talk about this later. For now, we are going to understand like what things which you need to do first of all. So once you will arrive here, you will see something over here on the top, which you can see right now. It would be like it would say like verify your email from your email. So just go ahead and do that. After that, this is very important. So go ahead and click on activating, because you need to activate your account, right? So for that, just enter your details like business type, personal details, personal business details, and all other things like that, statement descriptor, and all other things like your number and your addresses, your bank, your secure account, extras, like what it costs around that, and review and finish. Simple as that. So once you've done that, you will end up over here, and obviously this is my new account, you can see over here, and the top right corner we have toggled on test mode. So right now we haven't activated our account, this one obviously. So what is test mode first of all? So test mode is like if you want to create your product, like you who are going to sell something on Stripe, right? So go to product and create something. I have already made this up. Like you are creating this, like you are providing your customer a premium plan for 3 months, like $300. So if you created this, so you can just like in test mode, you can even apply for this premium plan and get invoice and all things. Obviously you are just going to do as a demo for like how it works. That's all. If you go back and click on add products, obviously you just need to add products, right? Name that product, description, you have your images over here, you have additional image options over here, pricing. Even pricing can be described as packaging, like how many units are going to be served, or recurring, or one time sale, or recurring like monthly, daily, weekly, every 3 months, and every 6 months. Whatever you are going to sell, you will end up giving information accordingly. Like if I'm selling uh two headphone every single month, So I will charge this for 2 units and monthly. So just say like that. So I'm going to like input my information and how it will look like. So this is very informative, and because this is a product we are going to sell, right? And after that, just click on save product, and I'm just going to show you after that like how it will look like. So this is how it will look like once you save that product. So after that, what do you need to do? You need to go over here at your pricing, go over here and view payment link. So what is payment link? So payment link is very easy to understand. Like if you copy this link and you want to send this to someone from your iMessages, even though it's like they don't know about your Stripe account, and if you want to give them a premium plan for your work, you can just copy this or just copy your QR code and send that to your customer, so it's very easy. So once they open that, they will end up seeing their invoice. They will end up seeing how much you are charging, what are you charging, and what things you are charging, whatever you have mentioned in your products, right? So you can just easily do that and share that to anyone. But what if someone is already in your customers, right? Obviously you can just click on customers and you can see your customers over here. You can add customers, you can export customers to your CSV file if you want. So I have my customer over here already, just a fake customer, right? So I'm just going to open this up, and how you want to apply that. So I'm just going to delete this, cancelled, and cancel. And what happened that uh, if I want to like apply that subscription over here, I'm going to click on subscription, click on create, and you will end up over here. You will see that product over here, whatever you are going to apply to your customer. So I'm just going to click on that, how many months over here, what are the starting time and billing cycle on, how many trials you are going to add. And obviously it will end up seeing like differently accordingly your product. Like if that's a product, a thing or service, whatever, it will end up seeing different over here. So it's very easy. You can add even default tags and coupons if you want, and you can add more products from over here if you want to apply more services to this customer. So just click on that and it's very easy. So this invoice will be sent to your customer and on that email. So after that, all of this customers billing or products, we have billing. So what is billing? Billing is very easy to understand. Like you are going to create your subscriptions menu. Like what is subscriptions? Easy to understand. Monthly or weekly. Well, like Netflix. What is Netflix? Netflix charge you monthly, right? So you can also do that from over here, billing. So after that, you have your reports. You can just set like check your overall overview, your reports, your financial report, your revenue, how much have generated. All those things can be tracked down easily. You have more options over here, but I don't think it's very necessary. And this is how you are going to receive your money. Obviously you have your account in your, like once you activate your Stripe account, you will have your bank account connected to your Stripe account, and everything will be very smooth. You can receive money directly through Stripe account. So I hope you understand every single thing. It's very easy. Just come over here and try it out to yourself. After that, it won't be that difficult. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please comment down below if you are stuck anywhere. So bye bye, take care.